Hey guys, it's Matt. I want to teach you how to prep your roof for hurricane season. So this is going to be real simple. It's just going to be tips and tricks that if you got your own ladder and if you're capable, you can jump up on your roof and you can do yourself, like sealing nail heads, checking for loose shingles, making sure there's no damage to your roof, and just things like that. Products you can get at your local Home Depot or Lowe's store that you can use to just do some preventative maintenance and get ready for hurricane season. Might save you from having to have a full roof replacement or have shingles blow off, etc., etc. So watch the Facebook page, Strong Tower Roofing, my Instagram, Strong Tower Jacks. I'll post the videos on YouTube, but I'll link them to Instagram and Facebook so you can see them. Please just follow the links to YouTube, to my YouTube page. It's Strong Tower Roofing. You'll see the logo on YouTube. Watch the videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like them. Leave some comments in the comment section. Give me some feedback. I welcome your feedback. Tell me what I can work on. If you know me, I'm not one for the limelight. This is way out of my comfort zone, but it's just something that I think would be good to help people, and I like to help people. And so just give me a thumbs up, give me some feedback. Please watch the videos. If you don't mind, subscribe. If you don't like the videos, tell me why in the comment section. Just be nice, don't hurt my feelings. Thanks.